Hello, I'm James, CEO of Aucluse, and we're here to try and make renewable energy independence possible for every community that wants to pursue it. It shouldn't be so complicated to set up an energy community in Denmark, but it is. In fact, there's a huge number of laws that you need to navigate and understand in order to do so. That's why we at Aucluse created the Renewable Energy Legal Navigator. If you have any questions about how to establish your energy community, taxation involved, the type of company to set up, then we have your back. All you need to do is ask the Legal Navigator your legal questions, and it will reference every relevant law in Denmark to make sure you have a good answer and a way forward. If you're trying to navigate housing associations in urban areas, we've got you covered. Maybe you need to establish a solar park to power your village in a rural area. We've got you covered there too. Not only will you save a lot of your own time, but you won't have to spend such a fortune on those expensive lawyers. Reach out to Aucluse at any time for support. We're happy to help. Good luck with your energy community.